Same here, buddy.
Thankfully, LeSchwab Tires helps make sure that our safety never takes a backseat, even when we're watching our wallets.
At the Les Schwab Fall Tire Sale, save up to $300 when you buy select tires with financing. Les Schwab Tires, doing the right thing since 1952. Limited time offer, terms and conditions apply. See leschwab.com/sale for details.
At Progressive, you can get 24/7 protection, even if you break the space-time continuum.
We did it! We time traveled to yesterday! Wait, Progressive covers us 24/7, but we just created an 8-day week, and it's 24/7 coverage, not 24/8. We gotta go back. Are you joking right now? Shh, I'm calling them. Hi, I have a question about time travel.
Progressive offers more than a great price when you bundle home and auto. We offer round-the-clock protection, which literally means anytime. Coverage from Progressive Casualty Insurance Company, affiliates, and third-party insurers, and subject to policy terms. Bundle discount not available in all states or situations.
Now, traffic on the Patriot, AM 1150.
Not a bad crash on the South 405 at Western Avenue in Torrance. The 3 left lanes are blocked. And on the South 110 at Slauson, collision in the right lane. And we're sponsored by Red Pilled America. I'm Alan Lee, and you're listening to The Patriot, AM 1150.
Are algorithms controlling our life? Find out this week on Red Pilled America. You can find Red Pilled America on the iHeartRadio app, Spotify, Stitcher, wherever you get podcasts. That's Red Pilled America, a storytelling show.
Hey, Mario Courtney Lopez here. We know how important it is to be confident in all of life's close-up moments.
And bad breath can rob you of your confidence.
Yeah, Cam, whenever I'm rubbing elbows with celebrities or friends or just chilling at home, I gotta make sure I have the confidence that comes with Smart Mouth mouthwash.
Smart Mouth is clinically proven to eliminate and prevent bad breath for 24 hours with just 2 rinses a day.
Get to your favorite retailer right now for that kind of better-together confidence.
Find Smart Mouth at your favorite retailer or at smartmouth.com/radio.
Hi, I'm Dana Schwartz, host of the hit podcast Noble Blood. Join me on my new podcast, Stealing Superman, for a deep dive into the shocking true crime saga of the theft of a priceless comic book from the home of Nicolas Cage.
Someone targeted this very specific, very talented actor and stole something that is very specific to his interests.
Listen to Stealing Superman on the iHeartRadio app or wherever you get your podcasts.
Finding the right Medicare plan? Oof, no easy feat. Kind of like those dances my granddaughter loves making me do. But then I found Walgreens FindRx coverage. Lets you compare plans online, over the phone, or in person. Made Medicare shopping so easy. Plus, I found plans with low-cost copays. I can get down with that. When you need to talk Medicare, Walgreens is here. Start shopping today at walgreens.com/Medicare.
It's a new day because COVID vaccines just got a big update. So all the big stuff coming up this fall, well, now you can say, you bet I'll be there. Because updated COVID vaccines protect against both the original COVID virus and Omicron. And everyone
Get one. So this is a moment we've all been waiting for.
Find updated COVID vaccines at vaccines.gov. We can do this. Paid for by the U.S. Department of Health and Human Services.
You wash your hands, you brush your teeth, but what about the nose? How do you clean your nose? With Navage. Navage uses powered suction to pull saline in one nostril, around the back of the nose, and out the other nostril, flushing out allergens, mucus, and germs. And it's why cleaning your nose, the body's air filter, is the next evolution in daily personal hygiene. People try Navage for lots of reasons. Sinusitis, colds, allergies, snoring, things that make it hard to breathe through your nose. But over time, they find that cleaning their nose makes them feel better, a lot better. Over 3 million Navage users have written more than 100,000 reviews, averaging 4.7 stars, saying, best product I've ever used, and amazing, I love my Navage. Navage helps you breathe better, sleep deeper, and snore less, but the biggest payoff is improved health. Navage is good personal hygiene and can help you stay healthier. At Walmart, Walgreens, CVS, Rite Aid, Target, and online. Navage, N-A-V-A-G-E, clean nose, healthy life.
I don't know how you reconcile these two competing visions for the country. You either believe in capitalism or socialism. You either believe in woke education or traditional education. You either believe in funding the police or defunding the police and no bail laws. You know, you believe in energy independence or you're a climate alarmist cultist that wants to beg dictator nations for the lifeblood of our economy. How do you reconcile these views?
Sean Hannity, weekdays at noon on The Patriot, AM 1150.
welcome to the Glenn Beck program. Glad you're here, you sick, twisted freak. Let me go to Dan in Georgia. Hello, Dan.
Hey, how you guys doing this morning? I was told to get right to my point, so I will. Hey, listen, I live in Chatham County, right, in Georgia, the great state of Georgia. I got one of the best governors ever, right, obviously. Okay, Chatham County was locked down. We had to wear masks when a lot of the state didn't. We had to show, vac cards for our kids at the school. And, our city, Savannah, blue. We had to wear masks and places were closed, but the state was open. My point is, it's like rooting for a college football team you never went to and forgetting about the high school that you did go to that's right around the corner. If you're not supporting the local level, if you're not active and fighting and voting and knowing everything about the local level, Dr. Oz is not going to help you, ma'am.
Exactly right.
That's moving.
Amen.
She's not going to get help from Dr. Oz. The Constitution clearly states that she can't get help from Dr. Oz because he cannot do anything. The president can't step on the governor's feet, and the governor can't step on the mayor's feet, and the city manager and the chief of police.
So wait a minute.
And the school board.
I would agree with you, Dan, and I thank you for your very optimistic message. But Dr. Oz can help you if you need more frequent bowel movements. And that is really good.
He's proven that time and again. The most local race of all.
Let me go to Marcy in Pennsylvania. Hello, Marcy. Welcome.
Hello, Glenn. How are you?
I'm good.
Good. Hey, I just want to make a proposition to anyone in Florida who voted for Charlie Crist. If they want to swap houses with me, then they would be happier here. I would be happier there. Everybody would be happy.
I like that. We should do a house swap. I like that. You live in Florida. You voted for Charlie Crist. You are going to love Fetterman. Your people are up north.
Same mental capacity and everything.
Yeah. Oh, my gosh. All right. Thank you so much. Let me go to Robin. Hello, Robin.
Hi, Glenn.
How are you?
I want to make... I'm good. I'm good.
Good.
How are y'all doing?
Just tremendous. Yes.
Yeah.
All right. 1 minute. Go ahead.
So, I did my research, and we did not get a supermajority in North Carolina, but I've got some really good news. We're in a suburb outside of Charlotte, and every Democrat except one was voted out of our city council and off our school board last night.
Excellent.
There's a lot of these stories around.
That is, I tell you, that is the big story that nobody is talking about. The local, and this was our goal. Remember, we got all wrapped up in maybe we can win the Senate. And you shouldn't feel disappointed. I am disappointed. We all should, feel that naturally. But let's remember what our goal was. Take our cities and our states back. And there was a lot of positive movement in the city and states. And we got Congress, and we still have a chance of getting the Senate. So let's look at the bright side. But I'll tell you what we need to learn next.
The Glenn Beck Program.
Life is about being active. Whether it's about going on your daily tasks or exercising, you're well when you're regularly active. But what happens when being active actually hurts by the end of the day? This is the position I found myself in a number of years ago. Everything I wanted to do in my daily life, all of the activity it called for, was held captive to almost constant nagging pain. When I heard about Relief Factor, I was skeptical, but my wife said, give it a chance. Not long after I took it, I could feel the pain begin to melt away, and I've been taking it ever since. And I can tell you that Relief Factor has helped me get my life back. I love that it's not a drug, but it was developed by doctors, and about 70% of the people who try it go on to order more. Your first step to becoming pain-free just might be ordering a 3-week quick start for only $19.95. Go to ReliefFactor.com or call 800-4-RELIEF, 800-4-RELIEF, or ReliefFactor.com. Find out all about